211, 911, or 411, 1414. These would be the signs that you are seeing, especially during this phase, number 23, number 000, number 111. These would be the signs that you are supposed to stick back to this video till the end, because there are many messages coming your way, especially on this new moon, 23rd of August, where the moon enters into a Virgo at 0 degree. That means a restart, and plus the black moon. So we are closing on to so many karmic loops. We are closing the chapters which have blocked our way, and we are entering a new life. And now this new life is going to be there for another 7 years. So how do you restart this life matters a lot. Stick back and let's go ahead and see what this universe is trying to say during this month of August. You would find yourself, suddenly there are relationships that are breaking up, and overnight, like over nothing. The career, you're losing your job, the notifications are on, 0101. Yes, the notifications are on. You are getting a new opportunity your way. This is a sign. And with sudden shift in your life, it is a tower movement that is going on. The surrender is the message. How much do you trust universe that if this is going, there is a space being created, number 23 on the timer, space being created for something bigger things to come into my life. And now surrender means don't fight for it. Don't go behind it. Listen to the words people are saying. Look at the actions people are showing it to you. Maybe at your job, maybe in a relationship, whatever this is. Be observant. The more observant you are, the more easy it is going to be for you to let go of this process. Reason being, it gets difficult to let go of any people, any person, any job, any career. The reason is the attachment. The more you're attached, it pains. It gives you that sufferings. And you feel like, why? Why me? Why do I have to go through all the situations? The more you get attached, the difficult it is to detach from them. So when you mark the words, the intention of the people towards you, it helps you in many ways. It helps you to at least start reasoning yourself, why not them? Why not this career? Why not this job? You would find yourself into a forced situation where you are mandatorily coming out of that particular job, that your laptop may break, your mobile may go haywire. You are like, I'm working so hard, but everything is collapsed. Everything has collapsed. It's a tower movement, and I don't know where my life is heading. So it is not the moment to cry. Yes, you can please go ahead and express your feelings to your loved ones. And if you feel like you are a lone wolf, please express it to yourself. Sit with your feelings, miss certain things, it's okay. Remember, cherish, take gratitude, everything is fine, but just move on. 311 on the timer, that could also be one of the signs. So please move on with the positive attitude. Start paying gratitude to whoever came into your life, maybe a temporary visit, that job that you got on a temporary level, whatever has happened at a temporary level. Pray, say gratitude, say thank you for showing me what I deserve better. Mark the words and write down what exactly you want your life to look like for another 7 years. So yes, the another 7 years depends on this very particular day, that is 23rd of August. How easily you let go also matters a lot. What you carry forward matters a lot. That's going to stick for so long. So do you really want to be with the breadcrumbs, or you really want to have that manifested life that you have been actually praying, manifesting since years together? So yes, it's a time for you to go ahead and have that drastic, beautiful life for you waiting ahead for 411, as I was talking about it. The clarity is not in the sky right now. You won't have the clarity, okay, if not this career, then what next? If not this, then what next? Like, where my relationship is heading with career, with money, with people around you. You won't have the clarity at this very moment, and that's perfectly fine, and that's the reason I'm here today. Let's go ahead and pull certain cards for you. 444 on the timer as I say this. Our angels are with us. What's coming next? Right now, the clarity is not there. It might feel like illusion. It might feel like if something is not working for me, maybe I have to rush behind them because that seems like a support system. I don't know why I got that message for you, 0505. So basically, some of you are into a process like, if this relationship I stay back in, that's helping me come out of many problems. If this career I am in, that's helping me come out of many problems. So how can I let go of this? Now there is a glitch. So you are into an illusion that if this is working out right now, it's going to work out permanently. But yes, that's the break universe is trying to make you do, is break that cycle of illusion. So mark the words, see the action, observe everything, because that's going to bring in clarity. This is a temporary phase being set up by universe so that you know your worth. So don't just go by the words, match the actions as well. It's high time you bring in the change, the 6 of Swords and 555. That makes sense. It's a time to move on. It's a time to move on. The clarity would come in next couple of days, starting today. You would start feeling and understanding what exactly I want out of this relationship, out of job, like where am I heading. Okay, also I'm listening for few of you. You might be wondering, like, if not this career, then what is the next step I should be taking. You're suddenly out of nowhere, some friend of yours would talk about certain profession, would talk about something that you did back like a couple of years back. They would come back with certain words. Listen to them. That's an angel trying to speak to you via certain people. So if you're questioning what next, universe is already answering you. 644 is a confirmation. 9 of Wands, I know you're exhausted. I know you feel like I am done. I cannot do anything beyond this point. I am feeling pain. I'm in deep pain, which I'm not able to express it out in the right way, and it's hurt. It's hurt by the universe, and I know what you're going through. Being a part of collective, what is coming next is 10 of Cups. The overwhelming, the happy tears, the wind is blowing towards you. It's a sign. You are getting into the moment of fulfillment. All you have to do is, the justice is done. What a beautiful card on this beautiful day. 23rd, we have Black Moon. Saturn is activated, the Venus is activated. The combination itself is trying to say it's the day of justice. You have closed so many karmic loops that universe is about to reward you with multiple opportunities you have never thought of. So if you're feeling like I don't want to rest, I'm exhausted of resting, I'm exhausted of waiting, the wait is over. The restart has already begun. The wait is over, the restart has begun, the karmic loops have closed, and this heaviness that you might have been feeling, the confusion that you might have been feeling, if not this, then what next? Universe is saying it's okay. You have got all the strength to wait. You have got all the energies. It's a time to collect energies. It's a time to cut those cords where the energies were leaking. It's the time to fill your own cup now. Do it now, because the next moment that's coming, it's going to be, I have no words for that. It's going to be marvelous. It's going to be magical moments, because the opportunity that are going to come to you would need you to take those bold steps, would need your more and more time, more and more energy. So please be rest assured that you cut all the cords that are draining your energies, and stop practicing like over giving or over explaining yourself, doing something beyond your capacity, not looking in your own cup and you're filling others' cup. Please stop doing that. That's the emergency call. Universe is trying to give it to you. Some might feel like I have to go back to the traditional format. Some might feel like I need a mentor in my life. Go ahead and look out for the mentor. Look out for people who have reached to a cycle, and the collective who is listening to this is not meant to repeat the same process like what people traditionally have been doing. You're not supposed to do the traditional work. You're here, whoever is listening to these videos, you are here to do something in a next creative way possible. Something nobody has done, and you are going to create that cycle. You are someone who is going to make the difference, bring the difference in this world, and hence you're listening to videos like this. And yes, you are the one who is the traditional breaker, and that's a huge responsibility, and that's the sole reason people who are purging to this level, who are going through like crash in every situation. The wind, thank you. Eagles could be one of the sign. I just saw the birds, the sparrows could be singing at your windows, or you would see the birds flying. Birds are resonating these movements. 1111 could be one of the sign again. You are the one who is a curse breaker, the traditional breaker. You are someone who is going to be sitting on a thorn and checking onto things like, this is the checklist I want. I don't follow rules, I make rules, is the statement coming for you. Wow. Four of Wands, and you are celebrating it very, very soon. Like, November is the month full-fledged you are out in the world to tell what you have created on your own. But that does not mean nothing is starting now. Everything is starting now, is the energy this card, universe is trying to give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to you via me. Okay, done. Well, let's pull last two cards. Something is happening. The only timeline card I got as I was just picking up the tarot, 1111 on the timer, the timeline card I got is number 6, 15 and 24th of this month. Take your spouse or partner's help. Whoever you feel you are stuck, take the help of them. 24 on the timer, as I said. So something tomorrow, I'm going to upload the video today, of course. Something tomorrow, whichever month you see this video, these are the dates that has come up. Something might happen on these particular days, or already have happened on these particular days. As I mentioned, number 6, number 24 and number 15th. Go back and check in this month. Something is happening, something new. Check your emails, check your messages, whatever it is, something new. That is Ace of Pentacles. Big money you have been waiting for. Big new beginning again. The new beginning, the sunflowers, the sun movement. Suddenly you would see the sunrise, suddenly you will feel the sun waves. Everything is happening in an aligned form. The Page of Wands. Wow. The 10 of Pentacles. See the sync of the cards. These last three cards. 12 on the timer again. These three cards are trying to say you are asked to put in very less efforts, and the money that is going to come in is going to be abundant. The effort in a relationship is also going to be really less, because you have already given so much. Now it's time for your cup to be filled in. Now it's time for your bank balance to grow with very little efforts. It's just that surrender. Trust the divine timings. Trust the universe. If someone is going, it's going for a reason. If something new has come for a reason. Don't be too much dependent on everything around you. Be dependent only on your intuitions. Listen to your body. Listen to your body, how it makes you feel when someone is around you. Does it make you feel heavy? Does it make you feel lighter? Does it make you laugh? Does it make you smile? How does it make you feel? Makes a lots of difference. So make sure the next 7 years of your life, what you're writing today, write it in a manner you would always want it to be. Instead of following the breadcrumbs, follow your heart, follow your intuitions, and see life taking a major turn. Hope this helps. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you super back soon. Take care. Be blessed. Om Namah Shivaya.